Hello everyone, hi, this is Ina here. Welcome to the second video. So in this video, as we said, we're going to learn how to say I want something. We're going to actually learn a sentence. In the second lesson, okay, so only the second lesson, you're going to be able to order something in a Chinese restaurant or order a beer in a Chinese restaurant all by yourself in Chinese. See, how exciting is that? But before we start that, we have to do a little bit of a revision of our last class. So in the last one, if you remember, we learned about how to say the four tones. And as I said, this is a very important basics. We're going to repeat that one more time here. So we remember those sounds. How does it sound? And familiarize ourselves with those sounds so we can carry on with our second part of this video. So let's start. Right, you ready? You have to say this after me. Remember, you have to say it so it becomes yours. Okay, number one. Ma, 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 ma. Da, 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 da. Ta, 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 ta. Good. So you can pause this video if you want to, and then you can repeat those four tones again and again until you're kind of comfortable with those sounds, and then we can move on to the second part. How do we say I want? Want is a magic word, so you have to say it so that you can get things that you want, right? So that is yao. It's pronounced as yao. Now, old rules, we'll have to do the four tones again. Yao, 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 yao. Now, you say, I want something. How do we say that? 我is W-O, 我. Old rules, four tones. 我 我 Now put it together, it is 我要 So what happens if I say wrong? So for example, if I end up saying the third tone, I could be like 我要. Oh, you know what? That actually means I bite instead of saying I want. And that's not what we're trying to say here. Okay, so let's get this right one more time. It is 我要 is the third tone and the last tone. 我要. Okay? Now, moving on to the next one. How do we say beer? It is two characters. Ready? P-I for the first one. P. And the next one is slightly difficult. 酒 J-I-U G-E-U 酒 Let's do the full tones so we don't confuse ourselves. 酒 酒 酒 酒 酒 酒 酒 酒. Now, 酒 is the third one that we need. That means alcohol. It also means number 9. And now there's a little trick. In Chinese, we have a lot of hand gestures for numbers. So for number 9, it is this one. Okay, that's number 9. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the same. So I see lots of Westerners, when it comes to 6, you need both hands. But what if you have things like you're carrying, you can't really signal number 6. So 6 is this one. 7 is this one. It's like number 5 plus 2, 7. 8, 9, and 10. That's 10. Okay? So going back to the Chinese learning. How do we say beer again? Second tone, P. Third tone, 酒. P, 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 P. Now you see the last one actually can mean bottom. Okay, so we have to get it right. You see my point here? Okay, let's put it all together in one sentence. I want beer. How do we say that? 我要啤酒。我要啤酒。Now, you repeat that many times, and in the end, it would actually sound very, very fast. It would probably sound like this. Someone asked me in a restaurant, oh, are you ready to order your drinks? I'll be, 我要啤酒. Or, let's save it. Come on, if you can't really do the whole sentence, that's okay too. You can actually shorten it and say 啤酒, the word beer only. So someone says, oh, so are you ready to order? And you can say, oh, yeah, 啤酒. Okay? 啤酒. 啤酒. Now, let's repeat this whole sentence once more. I want beer. 我要啤酒. Now, we also go to the restaurant looking at the menus, and we probably do say, I want this one, I want that one. You just point your fingers at this, 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 and that. How do we do that? Like, how do we say that? This in Chinese. And that is 这个. See, it's the second the second character barely makes any sound. It's just a ge, g. So the first one is 这, zhe. And then we do the full tones again, old rules. 这, 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 这. Is the sound consists of zh and put it together. 这, 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 这. Now we need the last one. 这, 这个, 这个, this. So you can look at a menu and say, oh, I want this. 我要这个。我要这个。Oh, so now waitresses come along and say, oh, hi, are you ready to order your drinks? 啤酒. What would you like to eat then? Are you ready to order for your food? Oh, yeah, okay. 我要这个。我要这个. So you point it at a thing that you want, and you can order it in Chinese. So I hope this is helpful and this is fun, and please use it in your local Chinese restaurants, and hopefully they can understand what you're saying. And please don't say the wrong thing instead of saying I want and saying I bite. Okay, so let's practice this as many times as possible, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.